Hey guys, welcome back to Texas Mommy. My name is Amanda, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my somewhat kind of everyday cleaning. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is supposed to be my everyday cleaning that I try my best to do every single day, but you know what? I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I'm busy, and occasionally I'm just lazy and I don't feel like doing it. But today I'm gonna make sure I show you guys everything that I do on a daily schedule, in exception of one thing, because I already did it, which was make my bed, and I forgot what I was gonna film today, and I already did it this morning. So let's go into the video, and that way you can see what I do, at least what I'm supposed to do every single day, guys. Let's go. Okay guys, so first off, I go ahead and like to take all my dishes out of my dishwasher and make sure I put those up. That way my dishwasher is available for any new dirty dishes that occur, because come on, I don't want to have to wash them by hand unless I have to. So right now we're going ahead and wiping down these counters out of the million times it's going to get done today. But I did want to also let you know I am still loving the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider multi-surface spray. So if you do not have it, you seriously should go check it out. If you check down in the description box, I actually have a link to Grove. That way you can go ahead and get a bunch of free items with the purchase of $20. Because everything there is just amazing, and I promise you guys, the smell of this is just awesome. So this is definitely an everyday, guys. I have to make sure that I go ahead and do one load of laundry, a minimum. I am a family of 4, so we go through clothes and towels a lot. So that is what we're doing right here, guys. Okay guys, we've made it to the couches. We are almost at the finish line of our daily cleaning. And if you've ever seen any of my cleaning videos, you know this couches, the way they look right now, are actually looking really good. I'll make sure to link one of those videos up in the corner. That way you can see how bad it is occasionally. But even though this is okay, I want it to look amazing. So we're going to go ahead and do the couches. And we are finally at the finale, guys. This is one of the things I do again multiple times throughout the day, which is sweep my living room, just because that is the main part of my house. That's where you enter from, so it gets dirty a lot quicker. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you have any requests for any other kind of videos, don't forget to leave that down in the box down below. Leave a comment. I love any comment that you give me, whether you like my video or you don't like my video. Either one is fine. You can give me a thumbs up or you can give me a thumbs down. But if you made it this far, all the way to the end of the video, guys, thank you. I truly do appreciate it, and I will see y'all next time. Hope y'all all have a good day.